Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is part of the collab Dollar Store DIY Challenge, and this is hosted by Colleen from Colleen Pasteur and Lindi from Love, Create and Celebrate. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final reveal for my Easter set of projects. So let me start with this cute gray bunny. That was actually a ceramic bunny set from Dollar Tree. I just painted gray and I just distressed him with dry brushing here and there, and I gave him a cute bow. And this is one of the signboards, and that's one of the used plastic cup. So I just also painted that gray and I distressed it with some dry brushing of black paint here and there, and I just gave that as a pedestal to this board. And I just filled some of the floor moss, and you see those beautiful carrots. They are made out of fused light bulbs. I got this idea inspired from Susan's channel. I'll leave the link of her channel as well as the video. You can see how she created carrots from light bulbs. So I got idea from her channel, and then I added my own twist to it. So I added the green twine, jute twine, and also those leaves as the carrot leaves. So I'm very happy how these light bulbs are not thrown into the trash, and it's something useful for the Easter. So I'm very happy how this turned out. I'm absolutely loving this carrot patch where this cute bunny is feeding upon, and this is on a raised platform of one of the containers. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. Next one is this egg hunt sign, and like you saw the process, that was one of the signboard. I painted white and I distressed all over with the antique wax, and this is one of the egg container, and I took like one part of the egg container and then I painted white, and these are some of the foam flowers from different egg sign, and then I just stuck it and I painted white, and then again I painted blue, yellow and pink to highlight those flowers, and just to give like an embossed look. And then I also distressed the egg here and there, and you saw I was sticking some stickers, egg hunt, and some greenery on the top and some florals on the bottom. So this is basically the egg hunt sign, and I laid few of the eggs on that side to just go along with the theme. So yeah, this is one of the other sign that I'm very happy with. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. This is the few simple and easy Easter projects that I want to share here, and hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.